Welcome back. Retrenched workers of Zuari Agro Chemicals may get some relief by Friday. Labour Union met the Chief Minister on Tuesday. Union informed that they are satisfied with CM's assurance. CM has called for a joint meeting of labour unions and management of Zuari on Thursday.
Goa Kranti Sena Mazdoor Union ITAC leaders, labours, met the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Kuttali MLA Alina Saldana and Labour Minister Avartan Furtad on Tuesday.
आज मिटिंगेन अशें ठरलां सीएमान सांगलेलें आसा आश्वासन दिला कामगारांक की खंयच्याय परिस्थितीन ह्या 2 ते 3 दिसां भितर किंवा अल्टिमेटली किंवा फायनली फ्रायडे मेरेन सगळें रिजल्ट मेळटलो. गेले 6 म्हयने कामगार जे एजिटेशन करताले ते एजिटेशन अशा धर्तीचेर पावल्लें आसा की मॅनेजमेंटाक लास्टाक आमचें म्हणणें मान्य करचें पडलें, अक्षरशः करचें पडलें, कारण तेंच्यांनी खूब खेळी खेळ्ळे. मार्च म्हयन्यान सुद्दां जें काम केल्लें त्या कामगारांचो पेमेंट दिल्लो ना. 80% तेंच्यांनी ले ऑफ वेजीस दिवपाचे आसले त्यो दिल्ल्यो ना. सगळें हॅरेसमेंट करून ते थकल्यात आनी शेवटी मॅनेजमेंटान मान्य केलें की आतां आमी खंय ना खंय तरी कॉम्प्रोमायज करपाक जाय. फाल्यां आमची फायनल मिटींग जाता.
6-7 म्हयने कामगार खूब त्रासांत आहात जुवारीचे. ना काम ना, पगार ना. मॅनेजमेंटान तांकां बुकेन दवरला, तेंची पिळापीळ चल्ला आनी अशा वेळार बेगीच्या बेगीन हो प्रश्न मिटपाचो आनी टोटल सांकवाल जुवारी नगर मुर्मगांव आनी टोटल शाश्टीन एक तरेचे इमिडिएट एक लेबर पीस कामगार मॅनेजमेंट आनी उद्योग धंद्याचे एक संस्कार आनी शांती हाडपाची ही जबाबदारी मुख्यमंत्र्यान घेतला. हे नेतृत्व मुख्यमंत्र्यान घेतला. ताका फूल पाठिंबो आमचो सगळ्यांचो आसा आनी आमी सजमतात हो प्रश्न बेगीच्या बेगीन मिटतलो.
The management of Zuari Industries was also called by the CM for discussion on Tuesday evening.
Zuari decision is taken now, so sir has called the management in the evening, so the decision will be taken now. Yeah. Today evening they have been called.
Reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Onkar Falari for Prudent.
Confederation of Indian Industries is planning for a skill development center in the state. CII claims that unemployment problem in the state would be solved with this initiative. They met the CM on Tuesday. CII has also considered Goa for its water mission project.
We have set up a skill development center in NP. This first one is in Chindwara, second one is being set up in Indore. And broadly, this center was inaugurated last year. We now have experience of how to do this. We've just come back from a meeting with the Chief Minister of Goa, and he also emphasized the need for developing skills and improving the employment and employability of people. The programs we run in the Skill Development Center are between 1 to 3 months. The longest duration course is 3 months, the shortest is 1 month. So you don't spend a year or two. You get skilled and you become employable in 1 month or in 90 days. So it's a pretty short but a very snappy program, which first project which has been undertaken is in Maharashtra and Marathwada, where we are actually looking at how do we sort of raise the capacity, water retention capacity by desilting, by recharging wells and making sure the entire watershed improves. And that same learning can also be there for Goa, because even Goa in parts, while rainfall is good.
If you missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट.